Right, so this week I found the contest button on the Instructable's website thing, which is something you should all know about. And I found this one, the Element Speed Challenge, and we're going to make an entry for that this week. Apparently we've got to include one of the elements in a build, but the first thing that popped to mind was making the stones.
The stones.
So, as it's a speed challenge, I'm going to use the laser cutter to print these out, or to make these. And so I've drawn these up in Inkscape, because that's what my laser cutter likes to use. I didn't use any special software or anything for this. I drew all the little lines around one of these and then just copied it. So because they're triangular, the corners won't meet an exact corner. So we're going for stylized stones instead of trying to make a movie accurate replica. Okay, so we got all four of them printed out. We're going to put three of them out of the way. We're going to focus on this one. We're going to stick it all together with Mitre Fast. It's CA glue, super glue. This is the one that I get. It's with the accelerator. So we're going to start with a base piece, like this. And we're going to glue down inside the little notches so that you don't see any glue on the outside. So when I went to put this one together, I forgot which end is the top and which end is the bottom, because the water and air symbols are very similar. So we're going to change over to the earth element box, because I know which one's the bottom. And with a little bit of activator spray, these two will simply go together, and you just have to hold them there until it goes off, which is sort of 5 seconds-ish. And once that's done, you then just need to do all the other sides. But if you do want to have a secret compartment in these boxes, you need to leave one side unstuck. And I've decided to leave the top of the shape unstuck, so that I can take it off and put little things inside it if I want to. Okay, so we've got these printed and stuck together, and I'm just going to remove the scorch marks from the engraving and tweak a few little bits where the glue came over and stuff like that. And then we're going to put some wax on them. To do the sanding, I'm going to use the orbital because it's quicker. You could hand sand it, but I don't like hand sanding. And I'm going to use a 400 grit sandpaper because I'm not actually trying to remove lots of material. I just want to get rid of the staining from the laser cutting. So, get a load of that on there. Oops. Yeah, shreds the tissue a little bit. Cloth might be better for this than tissue. So if you liked watching this and you want to see me make more random things every week, then please remember to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to help me grow on YouTube, then please remember to like the channel as well. And I will see you all next week.